Good morning, everyone. We're going to be moving on to cursive N today. So you want to find a midpoint, and then you're going to kind of curve, a little loop around, go straight down, right back up on that line, curve, and out. That's your capital N. For the small n, you start at the bottom of the line, curve up, down, right back up on that line, loop around, and out. We're also going to be doing the capital N and joining it together with the small n. So you give a little space and then you go back into your capital N. And then you go straight into the small n. And then you skip a space and then you do the capital and small n on join. And you skip a line, you're going to be putting tree on the line. So you're going to be doing, let me try to do it here. Going to be doing a capital N, small n, then you're going to join them together. Capital N, small n right there. Then you're going to do a capital N again by itself. And then the small n. So you're going to fill up the page like this. Practicing them by themselves and then doing one with them joined together. So you skip a line and you try to fit 3 on the line like I just did. And then you send me a picture. Bye.